Hello and welcome back. My name is AJ Ayers and I am with the StormChasers network. Also, I am the Director of Technology for the Pennsylvania StormChasers. My identifier is 203 Alpha 01, or Zone 2 Command for the state of Pennsylvania. Today I am going to be showing you GR Level 2 Analyst, also known as GR2. GR2Analyst is a Gibson Ridge product which enables the professional user to actually look inside of a storm. Now, you can try the demo for, I believe it's 21 days, and when you get it, it's going to look just like this. And you may be wondering, why am I not being able to see any radar data? Well, you have to, and I say you have to go to File, Configure Polling. Now, with this Configure Polling, you'll see that you can add multiple polling directories. This is the one I use. It's called Nomads through NOAA, and it's actually live NEXRAD scans every 10 seconds. Now, I keep these set at 10, 48, and 24. Pretty much it allows me to pull data super fast from radar sites, and it also will save it for a long amount of time. Once you add in the URL, check the description down below. I will include it. You have to hit the start polling. It's the little earth and computer symbol. Once you hit this, give it a few seconds, depending on your internet speed, and you'll be able to download the live data straight through NOAA. Now, you may be like, oh, well, this looks different than GR Level 3. And it is. It is very different than GR Level 3. I am pulling up GR Level 3 now to show you a comparison between the two of them. We are at the KMQT site. Okay. Here is... This is going to be, so, this is GR2Analyst. This here is, let's see if I can pull this up. Sometimes GR Level 3 does have an issue with pulling data with the other ones opened. I don't know if that will have an issue or not. I'm going to let that load up, but what's happening is this is the raw data through the National Weather Service, complete raw data. One of the features that you can do is it's called cross-section mode. It looks like a line, a diagonal line with two dots on it. I don't know if you can see it, say here. Hit this, and you just drag a line. If you just drag a line, you can actually see the inside of a storm. You go on through and you can look, you can swing it around. Now, you may think, oh, that's really cool. But, wait till you see the volumetric measure mode. Volumetric allows you to see 3D views of the storm in the cloud. You can check the base reflectivity. Also, you can check base velocity with this. You can see the little patch of green right there. You can also check the storm relative with the lift volume selected. You can see the lift, and stronger point. You can check spectrum width. You can see some echo tops starting to occur, along with rotation. If there was rotation, you would be able to see it, but since this is a non-severe criteria, there would be no rotation right now. The same goes if you just want a little bit of it. If you want a little bit of it, you can actually see it's nearing 20,000 feet. with the base of this roughly at about 5,000 feet. The one downside to using GR2Analyst compared to GR Level 3 is, one, GR2Analyst costs more money. It does cost more money, but in the end it's worth it if you're a professional chase team. The second thing is, you don't have storm attributes like you do in GR Level 3. In GR Level 3, you can see the cell name, the hail, probability of hail, the wind direction, and everything like that. You cannot do that on GR2Analyst without paying additional money through Gibson Ridge. There are some free, let's see if I can show you the place files I have. Oh, I don't have any right now. You can have them loaded on, and they do work to an extent, but it's nothing like WSV3 or GR Level 3. You also, the storm reports are much smaller. Pretty much GR2Analyst is only good for NextRad scans, live data scans, and also better detail, such as the 3D view. Overall, I use GR2Analyst and GR Level 3 combo with WSV3. I leave GR Level 3 up as a wide range of Western Pennsylvania, which is my section. And then for GR2Analyst, while we have an active chase, I will load up GR2Analyst to check for rotation and everything like that. It is nice because you can quickly switch between different models, and you can also select between different scans. Now let's take a look at the different scan. So if you recall back to when we were on 0.5 and did this, if you go over here to a higher scan, what happens is it will get thrown off a bit. It won't be exactly like this. So I suggest you always select the 3.5 scan just to make it, and just to get everyone on the same page. Because if you start looking at different tilts and such while doing the 3D scan, what happens is you have to accommodate for that scan difference, the tilt difference, and in the end, it shows the storm is much lower to the ground than it actually is. So I always use 0.5 unless it's at nighttime and the RF gain is too high. But this is GR2Analyst. It's through Gibson Ridge, and it is absolutely fantastic. I mean, this is with smoothing on, and then this is with smoothing off. This is the same that the National Weather Service uses at all WFOs. Thank you.